mga kaji! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to make a Dettol disinfectant solution. Luckily, you can find in any supermarket this kind of disinfectant solution, which is the Dettol. So first, because this is chemical, so you need to have your protective gear or the PPE and also your water. And because I need extra disinfection, so I will mix the 1000 ml of water with 4 cup full of Dettol. And you're done. You've got the homemade disinfectant solution using Dettol. In summary, this solution is very easy to prepare. Bear in mind, always disinfect those highly touched surfaces in your home. If you have any comment, just put it down on comment box below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe mga kaji. Ito po si Hanilo Castillo Bonifacio na nagsasabing, ano man ang hamon ng iyong buhay, go, go, go lang mga kaji!